Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access to the email and phone number linked to your Roblox account. That access is crucial. Once logged into a desktop browser, go directly to Settings, then Security, then two-step verification. Make sure you have your Authenticator app or any backup codes available because Roblox will ask for a code to confirm changes. If you don't see the Security tab, make sure you're fully logged in as the account owner and not a secondary session. Once on the two-step verification page, enter the current verification code sent to your email, SMS, or Authenticator app so Roblox can verify you. Then select Disable Two-Step or choose Reset Authenticator if you're switching apps. This ensures the old method stops asking for codes. Follow the on-screen prompts, and when Roblox displays new backup codes, copy or download them and store them securely. These steps remove the active requirement, or if you can't provide any verification codes, the only legitimate path is account recovery. Use Roblox's Recover Account flow and submit proof you own the account, such as the linked email, past passwords, or purchase order ID. If recovery stalls, contact Roblox support directly as the account owner and include those proofs. That's how they validate identity. If codes are delayed, also clear your browser cache, try another browser, and check your email spam or filters. Make sure your phone's time sync is correct for Authenticator app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.